light shines so bright, you might go blind, blind, blind. When I walk through the...
Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Saminado Family. So today, I would like to share with you a good news about sa mga kababayan na natin na nandyan sa Pilipinas na merong ganitong experience. Alright? But before that, we would like to say thank you so much to all our new subscribers. Salamat po sa pag-subscribe at sa mga viewers natin na hindi pa nakapag-subscribe. Please consider to subscribe our YouTube channel, Saminado Family. And kung ikaw ay may natutunan and nagustuhan mo itong topic natin for today, please don't forget to click like button and mag-comment ka rin below kung may mga question ka about this topic. So, stay tuned guys! At ayun na guys, good news ito sa mga kababayan natin na may experience sa mga SM, supermarket, or sa kahit anong company. Basta ikaw, ang position mo ay meat cutter and butcher. This is your opportunity na makapunta dito sa Canada. So guys, mainit-init pa day. Magsaysay Philippines. Diyan sa Magsaysay. Ito yung address nila sa Pilipinas. And guys, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-follow sa Facebook page ng Magsaysay Agency, licensed agency po yan sa Pilipinas. And guys, marami sa mga kababayan natin na nandito sa Canada na butcher at meat cutter na nakarating dito sa Canada through the Magsaysay Agency. So, kung i-check nyo po sa DMW or Department of Migrant Workers, tama po, license po, 100% legit si Magsaysay na agency. So, guys, ang position is butcher and meat cutter. Yun yung job opportunities nila ngayon. Guys, urgent hiring. So, sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin na may experience, ano yung qualification nila guys? So, first is age 21 to 43 years old. Yan po yung first qualification nila. Second, at least high school graduate. And the third one is, dapat po meron kayong 2 years continuous work experience dito sa sinasabing position, which is meat cutter and butcher. So, kahit saan kayong company, guys. And, example, guys, hindi na kayo nagtatrabaho ngayon as meat cutter, but before the last 5 years, example, last 2022, may experience kayo up to 2024. Or basta within itong last 5 years, meron kayo na complete 2 years work experience, pasok po kayo dito sa requirements nila. So, ayun guys, ito yung ilalagay ko sa description box, yung registration nila guys. Mag-register kayo doon para ma-i-schedule po kayo for interview. And it's a big opportunity for everyone na may mga ganitong working experience na makapunta dito sa Canada. Guys, wala po itong requirements na proof of funds. And kailangan din po, kung meron po kayong IELTS na guys, mas advantage po siya. But kung yung IELTS na lang yung kulang nyo, guys, madali na lang po yan. Pwede kayong mag-take ng IELTS during the processing. And syempre, kailangan, dadaan muna tayo sa sa company interview. And yun, wag na kayong magdalawang isip guys. It's a big opportunity for everyone na may ganitong experience. Alright? Kung kayo po ay nasa ibang province sa Pilipinas, pwede nyo pong isend yung application nyo. Ito po yung email address nila, and importante po or nire-record po nila na mag-register kayo sa kanilang portal, which is ito po yung link na kailangan nyo, and ilalagay ko din yan guys sa description box para magkaroon kayo ng mas madali i-copy paste nyo na lang guys. Okay, so this is a big opportunity kasi wala po itong salary deduction, walang placement fee katulad ng mga ibang pumupunta sa ibang bansa. So mas maganda ito. Isa ito ay skilled workers po. So hindi pa naka-indicate kung saan kayong province, but most likely dito po sa Canada. Okay? Guys, bigyan ko lang kayo ng updates doon sa this salary po ng meat cutter per region. So, ito guys, yung salary sa Nova Scotia. This is annual po guys. 44,570. New Brunswick, 44,256. Ontario, 44,044. Alberta, 42,754. British Columbia, 39,975. Quebec, 38,513. Prince Edward, 38,464. Saskatchewan, 38,444. And Manitoba, 35,685. So, ito po guys yung sa meat cutter na annual salary per region para magkaroon kayo ng reference. And ito po ay Canadian dollars. Alright? And that's all for today's guys. Thank you for watching and I hope you learned something about this topic for today's. And again, this is urgent hiring. So, wag na po kayong magdalawang isip kung meron kayong working experience na related dito sa position na nabanggit natin. And yeah, good luck sa inyo guys. See you in the next vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!